And can you also get a reel of this?
So it's not a video?
This is a video, but I want you to get a reel as well.
What might you have a lot to pull?
But I want to get it full before I pull it for the reel.
Grace.
I want to keep that basil in there.
Let's see who's loved the most cats. Had to be Firestar.
Had to be. For sure.
What y'all doing?
Oh, that's all basil.
It's attached. Lovey. Get it, Gracie. Look. Look, love. It's right there. Here. Look. There it is. It's by your mother. You didn't do a good job.
Mm-hmm.
Come on.
See it?
What happened?
On my arm. Up here.
Oh. How'd you cut yourself? Oh, yeah. Not a fan of those things.
I need to get a thing
To keep it attached. Like that one over there.
Yeah.
Is that the only one that doesn't have one?
Probably not, but it got me. I gotta put some stuff on it when I get inside.
Oh, you can't see with all those things in the way. Okay, so his friend was supposed to fall in love with somebody from River Clan. And he was going to fall in with somebody in Shadow Clan, as well as in Thunder Clan. But what an amazing plot twist if him and his best friend fell in love with the same cat.
That would be a little bit much.
But maybe that sounds like a second year thing. Oh. You gotta start weed eating. Later, Mom. Gwenny, where you at? Ma, I love black and white. Like, I don't know if anybody can do black and white better than me.
Sister, can we get all the
Mom.
rods and stuff up?
I'm trying to film you.
Oh, right. Okay.
Picking beans.
We can do it. Did you take a picture of them?
I did.
Thank you.
Yeah, there's some up there. Ma, I'm videoing you.
I'm coming.
We're not. There's no sending.
I'll send it.
Send it to who?
To Jason.
Beans?
Yeah. In my garden.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure. Some stuff out of here. I gotta get some dirt in here for these potatoes. I gotta kill these potatoes and get them.
I thought you said that was squash.
This is squash. No, these are potato. These are pumpkins. Those are potatoes. Those are pumpkins. These are.
Man, look at these things.
Cucumbers. Take a picture of that, and I gotta get the rest of that. See how
Oh my goodness.
it's dying because it doesn't have any water.
This one, so you gotta put the water system back up again.
Yeah.
So what's that over there?
Where?
Over there.
Tomatoes that were in the.
Too much.
Just for real, too much.
Ooh.
What happened? What
Bother.
now? Get out of there and out of the bother. Get out of bother, Gwen.
Gwen,
And Barbara.
what you doing?
I told you.
Gracie,
Barbara.
what you doing? That's Mom. She's getting the stuff out. Are you blocked in? Blocked out? You can jump over it. Go jump. Go jump. She just jumped over here when we first came out here. She have young legs. Leave it alone. You should have seen Gwen. Gwen flew.
Jackson, is the water going?
No.
Still not.
Which one?
The one that's connected to the watering system is going.
Sorry, I didn't get that part. I was trying to get this up here, which I still didn't get. Oh, I am. Oh, that's terrible. Gracie, get it. Get it. Hey. Hey, what you doing? Hi. Say hi to the peoples. Hi. Say hi, Gwen. You're no fun. I'm watching the water go. Y'all, go get in the water. Go get it. Go splash. Go splursh. Get in the water.
Alrighty, y'all. So that's all we're going to do out in the garden for right now. So we're going to wrap the garden video, and we will be back with another video because I still have way more stuff to do and way more stuff to plant. But we did get some weeds and stuff up. We got that first bed cleaned out of tomatoes. Oh, we had another hornworm. I wish they would all die. So I'm going to have to put supplements in that first bed and to kind of turn the soil a little bit. But we're going to do that on Monday when I don't have to work. So that'll be a big garden day for me. But anywho, there it is. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, don't forget to share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.